Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have two videos I want to get up because tomorrow I'm going to go live at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the giveaway. I am still on the declutter. I know I keep saying that, but I had an unexpected appointment for a doctor. Anyways, I haven't been able to finish. I babysat and I've had a very busy week and it just seems like it's been that way a lot lately. So my second box is almost full, but I'm going to cram it in there. I'm going to have two giveaways on that. You saw the first box, which I'll put a few more things in there. So anyways, if you don't win tomorrow, we're still on the declutter, and I always do giveaways. Anyways, we're here for this, for the show. So you guys wanted to see how this makeup brush cleaner and dryer worked, which I was very excited to get this in the mail. I ordered it from Amazon and it was $23.99. It is the new version, makeup brush cleaner and dryer. Just says that. I don't know the exact brand. This is what's included. You get one of these, this, and that. Anyways, so I have been using it. I have been on project brush cleaning this week as well. I have 3 of these. The Burn Bug. Oh yeah, baby. Classic. And they are almost full, double-sided. And so I did 2. Today's the 3rd book. And then I will be almost done. I have some in cups, Mean Girls cups. That I keep right on my vanity that I have done half of. So I definitely have my opinions on this brush cleaner. So let's get to it. First things first, every single day when I am doing my makeup, which can you see some of the sparkle, might give you a hint of my next video. Every day as I finish, I use this MAC cleaner. This has kind of been what you would call a staple in my collection. And I pour it in here. And I keep this right by where I do my makeup. And I hang a towel, a clean towel there. I spritz it. And when I finish with the brush, I wipe and I dry. And I put them back in their cases. So there is a small amount of cleansing done every day because I'm a clean fanatic. But anyways, this is a deep clean that you want to do at least once a month. So it came with this. So these are like basically they come out. They're pretty cool for your brush size. And then it came with this. I don't want to go there and tell you what it reminded me of, but okay. And so you pick your brush size, you put it on here, you put the brush on. I'm going to show you right now. And then here is the actual cleaning container. They say use dish soap or brush cleaner. I use dish soap because I'm already using a brush cleaner. So I don't know how, it doesn't say how much you should put in here. I just use dish soap to be on the safe side. So let's grab a brush. I'm going to start with a small, simple brush. This is a Morphe RG18. Must have been in my Morphe monthlies. And this is going to go in. This is the thing, you got to match up the ends to where they fit, or you can't use it. Okay, so this is going to go in the smallest one, so that comes off. And then put that onto here, which is pretty cool. It's pretty simple, which I like. I don't like a lot of having to piece together and all that. Hopefully this doesn't splatter all over me because I did my makeup, as you can tell. You dip it in, and there's 2 speeds. There's low and medium. Now, if the brush is really dirty, you're going to see it automatically coming off inside of the water. I don't really see much I don't even think I've used this brush very much. The most part I like about this is on the small brushes. It works pretty good. And then here's the drying part. All you do is lift it. It's an air dry. It just spins it for you, dries it. Do it for about 20 seconds, and then you remove. Now there's just a little bit of suds on it, which is no big deal. Just take a towel and then wipe it, and your brush is clean. Okay, that is all fine and dandy. So on the smaller brushes, it's okay. But I want to show you a brush. I'm trying to get it back in there. Okay, I don't know. This is more used, you can tell. You can see it's, you know, kind of brown. I need a different end. So let me see. This end will work. Yes. So we'll do one more example. This is more, you know, with a small brush as well. And there we go. Then you put it down at the very bottom, turn it on low, and you're going to see it swirling around. I can see some of it in the water. Turn it on high. Now you can really see the water turning a different color as it spins. Mind you, this brush is just a tad bigger than the other one. Do it for like 20 seconds, it says. And then you dry it for 20 seconds. Just like this. And then that's pretty much it. They have other brush cleaners. They have one that was $145, but I wanted to test this out. Now, as you can tell, the brush looks almost clean, but when I do that, it is not. It's just not. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to dab it in the water. And here's the Morphe, this is the Bristol shampoo and cocoa butter. And I just want to show you guys like how much crap still comes off of here. I mean, look at all that coming off. I know it wasn't perfectly clean in there, but look at that. As you scrub, right? And then I usually do this in my sink. I go in my sink and clean water, and this is just all I brought. So I'm going to go back in here. Now look how dirty the water is getting, and this is doing it by hand because mechanically it can't scrub the brush. Now I'm going to take it out, and we're going to see the difference between the mechanical and by hand. Now it is completely back to its normal self. That is one of my Morphes as well. What a difference. So I'm going to do one more example and give you my thoughts and reviews. I'm going to pick this Wet n Wild. This is more of a larger brush. It doesn't fit in here. So I'm going to grab another end. Let's see if it goes in this one. Yes, it does. Okay. So we're going to put this on there. Okay, let me grab the container. Then you dip it in all the way. And you can see it's moving. Now I'm going to put on the highest speed. You can see it swirling around and some stuff coming off. But do you see it is barely moving? I mean just very, very slow. And if you barely touch the bottom, it just stops. Stops the whole movement. And so let it dry. I like the drying part. What I could actually do is just use this like this and just let it dry. It dries the brushes quicker. Now it is pretty clean because this brush wasn't very dirty, but I am going to take it in here. I'm going to wipe this out so it doesn't look so horrible from previous. And I'm going to wet it. And I'm going to take it off here, which would be very helpful. Let's see. Wet it. This is by hand. So this brush came out okay. because it was not very dirty, but there's some leftover residue. It's in there, trust me. Now I'm going to swirl it by hand in here like you would in your sink. And yes, I did use a brush cleaner in this, and it did not do any differently. Okay, so this is all by hand. Again, I could take this and just do this to dry. I don't want to splatter my camera. Oh, jeez. Oh, shit. Let's go like that. Well, that was fun. Okay. Yes, it's going all over. But it's dry. And my camera's wet. Do you see that? Okay, I'll wipe it off. My thoughts. Now look how much cleaner that is. This is just a complete and total waste. Okay, I mean, I'm sure there are ones out there that work way better. But this, let me wipe my camera. I have dots on my face. I don't like it. This is just, it just did nothing. It is not powerful enough to do the larger brushes. I don't even bother with the larger brushes. It does work okay on the smaller ones, but I have noticed that when I go back in the sink, like with a soap, that there's a lot of residue left over. I don't like that. When I deep clean my brushes, I want to know they are thoroughly and completely clean. I don't recommend this. I don't know the brand. It's just a makeup brush. Again, it just doesn't do anything. I ended up cleaning them by hand because it shows larger brushes, but it does not handle the weight of them very well. So for me, I'm glad I bought the cheaper one. Maybe the higher end one works better. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried another one that is powerful enough to clean any brush. Like I will be doing these all by hand. I just think that it does not deep clean even my smaller brushes to where I feel that I have thoroughly cleaned them like I want them. So I don't recommend mechanical brush cleaner. At least this one is not good. Just kind of a waste. I will probably put it away and never use it. Give it to my daughter. I will be using this Morphe Bristle shampoo on the rest of my brushes. I have another one, and that will be that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of cleaning my brushes. What a just boring thing, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So I will see you guys in a few minutes, and I will also see you tomorrow live 2 p.m. Stay tuned. And then on the declutter videos, I'm not sure if I'm going to go live or just put it up on a video or Instagram the person. I'm figuring that out yet. But anyways, leave in the comment below what you think about this. Give me a shout out of who's going to be able to see me live tomorrow. And I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. Hit that little notification bell. I do go on my computer and I can see. And then follow me on Instagram if you have one. And I appreciate everybody watching. See you soon.